Peeps, we are here at Target because I wanted to check out some new toys. You know, Disney's taking over the year with Aladdin and Avengers and Star Wars and Toy Story, and I know a bunch of the toys are already out, so let's take a look. First up, they have the Aladdin stuff out for the movie coming out later this month. You've got this Jasmine dress, Aladdin and Jasmine dolls. She sings A Whole New World. There she goes. Will Smith. Turn that off. Oh, it doesn't turn off. Oh, there it goes. Will Smith genie keychain. Jasmine, or maybe not keychains, just little figures. That just look like a keychain to me, but no, it's a lamp. Pretty cool stuff. Some more costumey stuff. This is old school genie. That's not Will Smith genie. Press to turn on.
So here's the basics. Step 1, rub the lamp. Step 2, say what you want. Step 3, there is no step 3. See? That easy. You get 3 wishes. They all have to begin with rubbing the lamp and saying, I wish. Got it?
Alright, we've got these little plushy guys. They don't make any noise or anything. Oh, there's the genie.
Cute.
He looks good. And here's some more stuff. You've got Agrabah tea set. Another lamp. That looks different than that lamp. That's a genie lamp speaker. I guess a Bluetooth speaker. This jewelry box. Oh yeah, okay. Wow, everything sings the same song. There's a princess doll, another Jasmine doll, a genie doll.
So genie.
Oh, it's Genie in Disguise.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you've got a boo. Oh, he's dancing. Look at that. Dancing action not included. A little bit further down, you've got all the Avengers Endgame stuff. You know, because Disney's taking over the year between Aladdin, Endgame, and Toy Story 4, which we'll take a look at here in a second. So you got some Captain Marvel, Spider-Man, Far From Home. Some of that stuff's already out too. The Avengers section has seen better days. Certainly has been ransacked. People loving the movie, coming, getting some toys. Oh, look. There's a Spider-Man Far From Home Quinjet. Stark Jet and the drone attack. So it looks like Mysterio attacks the Stark Jet. Nick Fury, Happy Hogan, Spider-Man. All right. Some potential spoilers there. In fact, here's some more Spider-Man Lego. The Hydro Man attack, which they show in the trailer. And you've got down here the Bolton Man battle. You can always rely on Lego to kind of give you some key story points before the movie comes out. And the Toy Story 4 stuff is out too. There's Buzz, the new Bo Peep. Well, her new design anyway. Woody's RV. I mean, just tons and tons and tons of Toy Story stuff. Huh?
She's full figure Bo Peep?
Yeah.
I like it.
She's working out. True talkers, Bo Peep, try me.
And we are getting my sheep.
Okay. You've got Rex over here, Bunny. They have these new characters played by Key and
Look at
Peele.
Hot Wheels. These are cool. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Hot Wheels, I mean, all sorts of different design stuff. Look at these minis.
A bunch of minis.
Huh. I
course they have
think
the
this is the one played by, I think Keanu Reeves plays that stuntman character. Here he is, Duke Kaboom.
Look, there's Forky.
There's a giant Forky. He talks. How does he talk? Try me, original voice. But where do I try?
Oh.
I was made for soup, salad, maybe chili, and then the trash.
Infinity blasters and Space Ranger utility belts and spinning rockets and finger puppets. And look at this giant Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger armor.
There's a
That's
bigger
cool.
Duke Kaboom.
Okay, bigger Duke Kaboom. He's a remote control Kaboom. And here's another one, Stunt Racer.
Look at
He's smiling. He's having a good time. Wow, I mean,
lots of things.
lots and lots and lots. And I haven't even turned the corner over here because there's more Toy Story stuff. Some more Bo Peep. You've got the Funko Mystery Minis, the RV set with the main characters. Looks like
Woody.
a Buzz Lightyear Star Adventure playset.
What's this?
A Bo Peep with a skunk. This is Galactic
Oh,
Slimy
slime
Designs.
Very cool.
That's cool.
Parents' nightmare. Kids will love that.
All right, folks, Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like and notification and subscribe buttons down below, and we will see you next time.